If x is greater than 2, then x squared minus x minus 6 divided by x squared minus 4 is equal to blank. So in this case, we are simplifying a fraction, and x is greater than 2 is really just a restriction, saying that we can only plug in numbers that are greater than 2. To simplify a fraction, we have to factor the numerator and denominator first. And to factor x squared minus x minus 6, we're going to factor it into two binomials. We're going to start off with x times x, because that gives us x squared. And then when you multiply the last and the last, that is supposed to give us negative 6. So we can use 2 and 3, 1 and 6. But then if we look at our answer choices, they have 2's and 3's in the answer choices. So we're going to use 3 and 2. To get a negative 1, we're going to use a negative 3 and a positive 2. And I can show you when we multiply the outer and the inner. You multiply x times 2. That gives us 2x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And 2x minus 3x is negative 1x, which is the middle term. So the numerator of this fraction has been factored into x minus 3, x plus 2, and then the denominator is a difference of squares, x squared minus 4. If you recall, anytime you have a number or an expression squared minus another number or expression squared, that's going to factor into two binomials of this format. Because a times a will give you a squared, and then a times negative b gives you negative ab, b times a gives you positive ab, and b times negative b gives you negative b squared. And the two middle terms cancel each other out because one's negative, the other one's positive. So you end up with the difference of squares. So in this case, we're going to end up with x times x, because x times x is x squared, and 2 times 2 is 4, and the signs are going to be opposite. It doesn't matter which one comes first, as long as they are opposite. Now we simplify the common factors. The common factors are x plus 2's. They divide out into a 1, so this becomes x minus 3 times 1 is just x minus 3 divided by x minus 2. The answer is letter B.